Hello guys, welcome back to Yalan app. For today's video, we are going to show you how to create a new audience on Mailchimp. So if you're interested, let's start our tutorial. Now, if you're unfamiliar with the concept, a Mailchimp audience refers to a set of contacts to whom you have the authorization to send email campaigns. These audiences are formulated from lists, essentially a compilation of email addresses. Now, when you establish a Mailchimp audience, you have the option to specify several details, including the audience name used for identification within a Mailchimp, audience type like customers, leads, or subscribers, opt-in method choosing between single or double opt-in, and audience fields. The later involves collecting predefined contact information such as first name, last name, and company name from your contacts. So how do we actually build our audience here? So first thing that we need to do here is we need to go to mailchimp.com and just basically log in into our account. Now, once logged in, what we need to do next is we need to go to the audience section here. And from there, you need to basically go to audience dashboard. So in the audience dashboard, you should see a button there that says add your contacts. So currently, I don't have any contacts as of this moment. So for me to build it, just click on add your contacts, and from here you'll be asked a few information on how you want to proceed on creating your contacts. So first is we have the import from another service. So if you're using another service or tool to get your contacts, you could go ahead and use this one. They also have the upload a file. So if you have a CSV or a tab delimited text file here, you'll be able to upload those files. So we also have the copy and paste method to directly paste in new contacts from a spreadsheet or similar list. So in general, copy and paste here is going to be a manual way. So upload a file kinda automatic way, and the import from another service is the automatic way. So in this case, we want to use a CSV here since I prepared a file here just to give you an example. So I have this contact list here. So let's go ahead and use upload a file here, click on continue, and we want to go ahead and just drag in our file here into our website in Mailchimp. Now from here, just click on continue to organize, and from here you'll be able to basically change a few things. So for example, we have the select a status. So we could go ahead and select the status of this list. So maybe it be a unsubscribe status, non-subscribe, claimed, or subscribe. In this case, we want to click on non-subscribe, and from here we'll want to go ahead and click on continue to tag. Now in this case, in the tag section, we'll be able to add tags for this specific contact list. Now in this case, maybe we want to say they are customers here, but you could go ahead and add other tags as well if you want to. But for now, let's just add customer here and just click on continue to match. And from here, sometimes there's going to be errors on the column itself. So what we need to do here is we want to go ahead and edit those. So in this case, at the top right of that column, you should see a button here. So edit column name to resolve error. So let's go ahead and just click on it. And from here, we want to select a field for this column. So in this case, just look the appropriate field here. But if you don't see any field here, you also have the option to basically create a new field. Now, for example, we want to create a new field here. Let's say it is going to be city. So based from the data that we already have right now. And from here, we want to go ahead and choose as text. Now from here, just click on confirm. And from here on, just do this for every column that you have right now. So let's go ahead and enter and correct all the details here. So this is going to be country here. So let's go ahead and enter that. And from here, retain this as text, confirm. Same thing for zip code here. But I believe there's going to be a zip code here if I'm not mistaken. So we have the address here, but it's already taken. So let's go ahead and just create a new field here. And from here, we want to say this is going to be a zip code. From here, we want to change this to a zip code. And from here, just click on continue. And for phone number, we want to create a new one. So phone number up, and from here we want to choose phone number and just hit on confirm. Now, once you've corrected all of the columns here, you go ahead and just click on Finalize Import. And from here, it's going to say Review and Complete your import. So 50 contacts will be added to your following audience and imported from the file upload, non-subscribe, updated, existing contacts, no, tag, customer. So once you're satisfied, just go ahead and click on Complete Import. And the import process should start and should be completed in a few seconds or in a few minutes. Now, when we go back into our audience section here and go to all contacts, you'll be able to see all the contacts that you have recently imported. And that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to Yalan app. Thank you for watching.